How to work with column vectors in 92 seconds, let's go. This, guys, is a topic which comes up pretty much every year. Let's have a look. First off, what do the vectors 4, 3 and -2, -1 actually represent? Our column vectors, guys, are going to represent movements in the x direction and the y direction. Our top number, that's going to be our movement in the x direction, so the horizontal movement, and our bottom number is going to represent the movement in the y direction, that is a vertical movement. So first of all, our vector 4, 3. So this one's going to be 4 units to the right because our top number is positive. That's going to be a rightwards movement. If it was negative, it would be a leftwards movement, and it's going to represent a movement of 3 units up because that 3 is positive. What about then -2, -1? Well, because we have a negative number on the top this time, it's going to be a movement of 2 units to the left, and because we have a negative number on the bottom as well, our -1, that's going to represent a movement, of 1 unit down. Okay, so that's what our vectors actually mean. But what about if we want to, for example, add them or multiply them? So when it comes to adding our column vectors, we actually are just going to simply add our top number to our top number and our bottom number to our bottom number. 4 plus -2, that is going to be +2, and 3 plus 1, that is going to be 4. So we can add our vectors like this. What about then if we wanted to calculate 2 multiplied by the column vector 3 minus 2? This one's going to work pretty similarly to expanding our brackets, guys. We're going to multiply our top number by 2. That is going to give us 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. And our bottom number by 2. 2 times 1 minus 2, guys, that's going to be -4. So we can multiply it to get the vector 6 minus 4.